I can lost, so I just wanna leave my skis, take a lot of risk, and yes, I did small mistake in the last steep part, but I did perfect run and I took another victory, so I'm really happy because second victory, second podium in Jackson in my career in the World Cup, so it's an amazing season.
Yes, it's amazing, and also your fans are amazing. There were many of them here in Maribor, and they were here in the back, in the last part of the course, and in this part, I guess you won this race. Did you hear them and say, okay, so I have to be even faster?
First, I want to say thank to all of them because they came here and they support me and they gave me a lot of power. But if I went down, I didn't hurt them. So I hurt just when I crossed the finish line and I saw -90 something. I saw them and yes, I was really happy because I felt like at home because they were a lot. So yeah, it's good to take a victory in front of my fans. So
yes, congratulations again. Please, your questions?
To je byla Petr Perhova.
Now you completely with Michaela. You were angry because of the second place?